On today's episode of the Northland Beat, we're breaking down what your agency should expect when planning a logger upgrade. It all begins with a pre-install project review. This is where engineers learn your environment, integrations, channel count, wiring, CAD connections, radio paths, retention policy, and anything unique to your center. Next comes the cutover plan. A good plan outlines timelines, channel mapping, testing expectations, and rollback options. With proper planning, most cutovers take just a few hours and happen without interrupting operations. Then comes data migration. Your existing recordings may be imported into the new system or archived for secure long-term retention. Your engineering team will help you pick the best option. Once the system is installed, it's time for dispatcher and supervisor training. This ensures your team is confident using search, playback, QA tools, redaction, and reporting features from day one. Finally, expect verification testing to ensure channels are recording properly, metadata is flowing, and failover is working as designed. After that, ongoing support ensures your system stays compliant, secure, and ready for mission-critical operations. A good upgrade shouldn't be stressful. It should be predictable, efficient, and extremely well coordinated. That's what you can expect from a modern logger upgrade here on the Northland Beat. Looking to upgrade your logger? Reach out to Northland & Companies at 800-894-4204 or by emailing solutions@northlandsys.com and visit us at northlandsys.com.